Yes, if you watch here, let me show you how you can connect Samsung A14 to unlock 2. Actually, I want to try FRP on it. So this USB connect it to computer. Then this is the phone. I'm going to power it off. I have to first connect the phone in a download mode of Samsung by pressing the volume up and down, then connecting USB. I'll keep on holding the volume up and down until show this blue screen with a download mode option. So here is asking me to select the volume up if I want to continue in the download mode and volume down to cancel. So I press volume up. So this is the download mode option. Let me be frank with you. This type of phone, sometimes a driver problem or whatever will make it to take time before you can bypass the FRP. You have seen how you can select a particular phone model on unlock 2. I think it's supposed to show display there. As it displays means it's connected. The phone driver supposed to display on COM. That is COM port. So select A14, then go to download mode, then FRP bypass. Then connect your phone because our phone is already on a download mode option. Well, funny enough, the patching FRP failed. That is Samsung. You keep on trying other options. If you did connect, you reconnect it again. If it shows a USB not recognized, try and restart the phone, power it off and continue. So let's try it again. Then you connect your phone. It says patching FRP failed. Still failed this time around. Sometimes you have to try many times. And this phone is MTK. Though it's risk, but you can try it with latest Techno phone. Says it's MTK, but have to check the CPU MTK model number first. I see the one that tallies. I see the one that matches. This is a Samsung Galaxy A14. So you can also use test point and try it. I see the one that will work. And some people say that some of the phones, not all the phones that are MTK, they have EXO. I don't know how true it is that, but that's what some people said. That not all the phone that is MTK. If you are using unlock tool, sometimes, though, if you have logged in to unlock tool on one system, it might be hard to unlock into another one. If you have two systems, there are two PC, if you try it and it's not working on one, try it on another one. Sometimes it might be a driver problem. I noticed that, but it's not common. But anything can happen, but it's not common. If you want to be a phone engineer, phone technician, you have to exercise some patience. You must endure while you are doing your work. That is the gospel truth. You don't rush things. Yeah, so let's try this time around and see whether it works. So this is the way it's done. If this doesn't work, you try the other one. That's why you have many tabs and many functions. Like in this 4 tabs, we have 3 different FRP for one particular phone. So if you try one doesn't work, you can try the next one. That's how it's done until you get your work done. Thank you and remain blessed. Keep on pushing. Bye.